here's the deal. I'm in a pickle. I'm on the roof and my ladder fell. Let's see if you can see it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take you on a full day in the life of me running my window cleaning business. And like I said, it's red right now, but I'm getting really excited. It's Thursday, next Monday. This bad boy goes in for the wrap. This is what it's gonna look like, really stoked. If you stay tuned for all of this video, I think I'm gonna share numbers at the end of it to kind of just tell you about this day. But this day, it's a big day, big numbers. It's not something I started with right away. It's something I've worked up to. It's compounded, right? So first thing we're gonna do is go pick up my gear from my warehouse, and I'll show you that. And then got a quote to hit, and then gonna head down south and got some big jobs. And so here we go. Got her all loaded. It's about 9:15. Gonna head up, do a quote. It's about 5-6 minutes away. Head south, do some big jobs. All right, so just finished quoting that house, and it's a bigger house, but not a lot of windows actually. So it came to $229, but I'm running a spring deal for new customers because I want to make more money in the long run, right? And it's a huge offer, which is the first 5 windows are free. And not only that, this is a 2-story. I'm counting the first 5 windows on the first floor, and I go ahead and throw in the larger windows because I'm like, hey, this is a bigger reward for you calling us and wanting to schedule a cleaning. And so it brought it down to $169, and I'm okay with that because I have different. As soon as I clean, I'm gonna do my best to kind of sell our service plans that gets them on a recurring schedule. And yeah, so that's it. So got that lead from Facebook, which is an ad I just started running literally yesterday. I'm gonna play it for you right now. Hey, Oklahoma City, Timmy Riggs here with Streakers Window Cleaning, and I'm excited because spring has finally sprung. We have a special offer for new customers where you're gonna get your first 5 windows cleaned completely for free up through April. And it's not just window cleaning that we offer either. If you need your screens cleaned, your tracks cleaned, if you need pressure washing, or even maybe some light fixtures cleaned, we can handle that as well, and we look forward to serving you. So take 30 seconds to fill out a quote form below, use promo code SPRING, and we look forward to streaking into your life soon. Okay, so you got a glimpse, super simple, and within 12 hours, I got my first lead from it, and so I think it cost me like $9 for that lead. So definitely worth it. Again, you're probably hearing like, well, that's not a huge number. I get it, but like the potential here in this neighborhood, I have another house in this neighborhood. I'm gonna hit this house with flyers. Like it all compounds, it all adds up. And so, you know, for me, it's 2 or 3 $220 jobs a day, right? Like my goal is $650 a day when it comes to like residential and stuff. But anyway, going down south, got a long drive, 45-minute drive down to getting close to finishing up my commercial project. I'm on a huge commercial project, 14 buildings, and that's a big moneymaker. And so I'm gonna drive down there. You're gonna see at the end of this video what all that adds up to in a day. So here we go. All right, so just drove down here. It took me about 30 minutes to drive down here. On the way, that house I just quoted, they confirmed it. So gonna schedule that, so that's great. Got that scheduled for next week. And this is the first smaller building I'm gonna clean inside and out today. And then we'll move over to a bigger building, but here we go. All right, well, I'm gonna try to make this quick because it's so windy. You guys know I'm constantly fighting the wind. It's 11:05, just finished the inside. So basically right around an hour to do the inside here. But I do wanna make it clear, this is my 3rd year. I hit these locations twice a year, and so I've got a good system. I've learned how to do it well, and I know what I'm doing, so that's that. But now I'll do the outside. Sometimes I pull out my water fed pole here. For the most part, today, I didn't really feel like getting it out, and traditional clean just doesn't take me that long at this location. I will be getting my water fed pole out at the bigger location that we're gonna do after this one. After this one, we'll actually go do a little mini micro branch. It's just basically a drive-through, and that one's a lot cheaper. Obviously, it takes me 10 minutes. But yeah, so gonna finish the outside here, and we'll keep moving. I keep these clean throughout the year so they're not super dirty. But yeah, so should be done in the next hour. So that's pretty cool. Let's keep going. Okay, boom, just like that. It is 11:40. Again, system, windows keep clean throughout the year because I keep them clean. And so boom, job number one done. It's not even noon, but now I'm gonna head to the next one. This one's just $50. You're gonna see why. It's literally 3 big windows, 1 window on the back. And from there, I'll hop over to a much larger location. I will whip out the water system. I'll try to get some video. It's just so windy and it knocks my tripod over. But yeah, so here we go. And then I do have one more quote to do actually on the way back, so that's good. And we'll check it out. And it's a good day so far. Keeping busy. It's not even noon. Crushing it. Okay, just wrapped that up. Literally just took me a few minutes. And gonna take my belt off, hop in the truck, and go about 5 minutes down the road, work on the big building. All right, guys. Well, this job is right by the highway, so I have no idea what it's gonna sound like, but it is 1:42. And I did all the inside and then all the outside that needed to be done traditionally. And so now I'm using my water fed pole. On the back side, it looks just like this. So I'll do this on the front and the back, and then we'll be done. So I think I'll be done here probably by 3. There's a little part on the roof that I'll have to get on. But other than that, we're cruising, and it'll be a good money day. And then I'm gonna swing by that other quote. I also realized I forgot my wallet today, so not eating lunch or anything, which I typically, honestly, on busy days, I really don't. Just like to get after it. And so that's that. Dang it. Okay, it's 2:44 and I just finished here on the roof. Here's the deal, I'm in a pickle. I'm on the roof and my ladder fell. So gonna try to solve this problem. Okay, well, hey, that's just part of the job. Thanks to some guys inside the office place, they came and put my ladder up. I got a hold of someone that was able to call them, and so I got down. That's never happened to me before. Where my ladder fell. So it makes for a good story. I wasn't worried about it. Figured I'd get down eventually, even if the fire department had to come get me. So that's that. Like I said, now it's 3 o'clock on the dot, and I would have gotten out of here sooner if it wasn't for that. And so now I'm gonna head over. Got a quote of a place. We'll see how it goes, but day's running smooth and cranking it out. All right, guys. Well, it is 3:40 and I am literally back in my driveway. I just went, the place I had to quote was on the way back up towards my house, so that worked out. Quoted it, and the way that I do commercials, I don't do a lot of storefronts, but basically I charge anywhere between $3 to $4 a pane for commercials. So that's, if it's in and out, it's gonna be, you know, $6 to $8. And I just kind of add it all up and go from there. Now, this customer, they want a monthly clean, so I'll do a 20% discount to that. But at the end of the day, I'm always gonna do $100 minimum. So this is gonna be more than that. But yeah, so really good day. You got a little glimpse of what it looks like. and it's not even 4 o'clock. And so today came out to a little bit over $1,000. That's not every day. That's my goal. But I just want to kind of share that with you so you know, like, hey, it is possible. And these were things that I worked for a while to get and then maintain well. And so pretty awesome. I got a cool thing happening this week. I'm going to preach in Idaho at my friend's church, and so maybe I'll do some video of that, but I'm excited. That's what I really love to do, what I'm passionate about. And so next week, this baby's getting wrapped, and you'll see that. But hey, hope you were encouraged. Hope you like following along on the ride today. And in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.